Hi, welcome to the Gwatney Automotive Minute. I'm your host, Scott Romine. We're talking this morning with Jamie Cobb of Gwatney Automotive. Welcome to the show.
Thanks for being here. Yeah.
Hey, question for you. This time of year, we're having some of this ice and snow stuff, and that's going to lead to accidents. Someone finds themselves in that situation. What's their best course of action, maybe, to get going towards Gwatney, getting that car fixed back for them?
When you contact your insurance company, we are a preferred vendor for every insurance company that's available, and so they're going to probably recommend you to one of our collision centers. We have one in West Little Rock. We also have one in Sherwood next to Sam's Club, and then we have our collision center in Jacksonville, just located a block down the street from our Chevrolet dealership.
What sets Gwatney Collision apart from all the rest?
I think our personnel that we have, the experience, the training that we have our technicians go through. You know, we can't say that we're going to unwreck your car because, you know, once it's been wrecked, but we will make it as close to new as we can possibly do it. And that's our goal. That's our intention, to put your car back the way it was when it was first built by the manufacturer.
And I know that you continually invest in this type thing, and you're building a new building. Can you
Correctly,
tell us about
we're building right behind Sam's Club right now. We're building a 25,000 square foot state-of-the-art collision center that's going to have, you know, new frame machines, so we make sure we get your car back in the original alignment. You know, we try to make sure that we don't have any hidden secrets behind the fenders and doors. Once we fix the car, we want to make sure it's done right.
And there's a lot of advancements in the collision. I mean, a lot of new materials. You're dealing with what, aluminum, magnesium.
Yeah, and you know, very few cars have welds in them anymore. A lot of things are bonded together with the, you know, superstructure adhesives and things like that. And so we keep up with the latest. We send our technicians to collision seminars. We send them to have training done, so we make sure that they have all the technology today. Aluminum welding, those are certifications that we require for our technicians to have.
It's come a long way.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for coming on the show.
It's great to be here.
Hey, great to have you. Scott Romine for the Gwatney Automotive Minute. We're going to see you next Friday.